nice bit of food, isn't it? Look at that little boy out in his jungle walk. Who would have ever thought this, mister? Oh, the two best dogs there ever was. Look at you two. Survivors. That's what you are. Little survivors. Are you smiling and tail wagging? Unbelievable, mister. Unbelievable. Who is that fantastic looking boy we have out here today? Is that Mr. Rodney? Look at you. Oh, you know how to sit? Where did you learn that? That's a lovely waggy tail, isn't it? Look at your perky eyes. Who would have ever guessed that, mister? You're so polite and gentle with your big paw. That tail would knock somebody out. Oh, a big yawn. Are you tired? Are you tired, little Rodney? You look gorgeous, mister. It's official.